guys, welcome back. My name is Summer and I am so stoked to share today's video with you. It is such a cool one. I have some new clients of mine, Josh and Courtney, and they are new homeowners. Their house is so cute. It's a brand new build, but they had this space in their house that just felt like a collect-all for things. It was being used as like a music/office space, and we wanted to keep the same function of this space, but they wanted it to feel kind of like this like cocktail loungy vibe, like maybe go have a cocktail and chill, also be used to play music. And I'm calling this a man cave room design. I'm gonna give you some ideas for your own man cave room design, and I think that you guys are really gonna like this video. It's such a fun one and it's a big transformation. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would ask so kindly for you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel below to see more awesome fun videos like this one, and also just to help out your girl, because you guys, so much work goes into editing and shooting and doing these videos, and it would just be a dream if this side of my business grew too. So I would appreciate your help. On to my awesome man cave room design video. Check out what I do. Today I'm riding in style in a convertible and on my way to Lomita, California for this project. When I first checked out my client's new home, I thought it was so cute. It's a brand new build and it's beautiful. However, this space just felt kind of left out. Like, it felt really dark and kind of just like this collect-all of random furniture. Men, please don't ever have one of those like gaming chairs. That's gotta go. I'm sorry, Josh. But it just felt dark and drab, and it also just felt like every single piece of furniture was hugging the wall space. I like to call this furniture disease, where like people are afraid to put anything in the center of the room. It made this space feel smaller than it actually was. My clients wanted this space to be like a fun, cool hangout space where you come and have a drink, play some music, also get some work done, and we wanted it to feel more sophisticated. I like using the app Milanote to use all of my mood boards so I can give my clients like a visual of how the space would look. They're also getting a new puppy, you guys, so I had to include the puppy in the mood board. But this app is great because the clients can see the photos of suggested shopping items and directly make purchases. They can also see my sketches here, and I just love using this app, and it just makes it so much easier for both me and for my clients. It's painting day, you guys, and I had some really cool ideas for painting this space. Originally, I thought that I wanted to paint the ceiling because I thought that it really created this like dark, moody vibe that I was aiming for. However, because the ceiling was a little bit different, it was like open and exposed to the other rooms in their home, and I did not want that to be a thing. So I mocked up some ideas on which walls we could paint. I knew I didn't want to paint the entire space in this room, so we decided on doing 2 walls, and I thought that it would be cool because it would reflect into the mirror. So we are in day 1 of our painting day here in Josh and Courtney's kind of like cocktail loungy vibe space that we're doing in here, and I got this really beautiful like teal-ish emerald green color by Sherwin-Williams. It's called Peacock Blue, or Blue Peacock. It's really pretty, and I think it's gonna help give us this like moody vibe that we're kind of going for in this space. I've got everything all taped up here. I had to patch a few holes, but we are gonna get to painting, and I am so excited to share this cool color. It's gonna make a really big impact in this space. Everything right now is kind of just like white and gray, so this is gonna be a really big surprise when they come home later today. Check out what I do. Looking so good in here. I am stoked. You know, it's a funny little thing that I was wondering, why the hell does this tag always come on here? And it's like, under the penalty of law, you cannot remove this tag. I'm removing the tag. The tag is going. Sorry, people. Don't leave your tags on. Cut them off. You won't go to jail. I promise. I had some pretty cool ideas for artwork for this space. If your budget doesn't include original art pieces, I like suggesting websites like Society6 and Poster Studio. You can choose your photos or original art prints and have them made to the size that is specific to your needs, and even have the option to have custom framing and matting. It's a really affordable option if you can't afford original art pieces in your space, and I really like using these websites because a portion of the proceeds still does go to the artist who created the artwork. My clients are really huge South Bay locals, and we wanted to include some special things in this space. I looked up on Etsy and found this photographer who had this amazing black and white photo of the South Bay Hermosa swings. With you this kind of man cave design. I'm giving you ideas for man cave design. Man cave design? Is that what it is? Space? But I'll just give it more, you know? Ugh.